We're going to practice using some head-tail connectivity. So start by getting comfortable in an X position and breathing. You can feel the breath entering and exiting the body. Let's take a few heel rocks to make sure that head-tail relationship feels connected. You know if you're finding connectivity if your head is naturally taking a little wobble or a nod. Let's take an inhale, and on your next exhale, start sliding the whole body along the floor to one side and then the other. Your arms and legs can stay straight, and most of your back body is still on the floor. Your head and tail should be leading the movement, not following. Pause at one side. Lead with the head and tail to find fetal curl on that side. Use the head and the tail lengthening away from each other to find your X again. Let's take another inhale and try the other side through that kind of crooked K position. And then on your next exhale, continue into fetal curl on that side, using the head and the tail to motivate you. Head and the tail again lengthen away to find your X again. Let's try it all in one fluid movement. X right into fetal curl on one exhale. Back to your X on one inhale. Through the X into fetal curl on the other side. And back into your X with an inhale. Let's try it one more time. Inhaling in the X and exhale into fetal curl. It's easier to use the elbows and knees to motivate. It takes a lot of effort to use the head and the tail, but it's worth it. Sliding through that center place into your next fetal curl, and then back into your X to end.